everyone. I'm going to introduce you to our favorite activity of speech and drama, which is tongue twister challenge. Before every speech and drama class, we have a tongue twister challenge. And today I have Kunjal with me to take this challenge. Hi Kunjal, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you 5 words which you have to say without making mistakes as fast as you can. Alright?
I will try.
Let's try. A proper copper coffee pot.
A proper copper coffee pot. A proper copper coffee pot. 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 Proper.
Wow,
Yes.
you are amazing. Well
I
done,
tried.
Kunjal.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to try one more?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is a trickier one.
Okay.
So, she sells seashells on the seashore.
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 Better. Try it.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Faster.
She sells seashells on the seashore. She